Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, I'm going to share with you this amazing tool that I just recently discovered, and this tool can help you write attention grabbing sales messages. So let's get right into it. So the name of the tool is Twain, and what it does is it creates sales messages for you. So this is their landing page, and in here you can see the features and benefits, what you can do with the platform, and this is where you can also see their pricing plan. So you can go with the free plan, and that includes 5 generations or 10 suggestions per day. You can also go with their pro plan, and you can take advantage of their 14-day free trial. And with the pro plan, you can get unlimited feature usage and all other features right here. And best part, you will also get an access to the API, which will allow you to connect Twain with platforms like Clay. So to sign up for an account, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is just to click on sign up for a free trial or click on get started, and it's going to take you to their platform dashboard. So I already signed up for a free trial, and as you see here, it's asking me to upgrade to Pro, which I'm not going to do in this case. So I'm just going to X out this window. And once you signed up successfully to the platform, just go right here under your name and then click on quick setup. This section, this is where you are going to put in all the data that this platform needs in order for it to create a personalized message for you. So there are two options to do it. Number one is you can ask Twain to import the data from your website, or you can add your ICP and value proposition manually. So in this case, I'm just going to use the import option. So this is my website, and I'm just going to click on import. And what's going to happen here is that Twain will get all of the information that I have on my website, and it's gonna put together here. So here's the info. So ideal customer profile. This is pretty accurate because for my agency, we cater to startup and small businesses. So this looks pretty spot on. And then problem, yes, this is the right problem. Solution. Um, this is not quite right, so it needs a little bit of tweaking. But Twain was able to get what I have in my website. Competitive advantage, so this looks okay, but it needs a little bit of tweaking as well. Results, this is pretty accurate. So I'm just gonna click on save to personas, okay? And then in this section, this is where you can, adjust the tone of your message. So you can adjust it on your preference. So for example, I'm gonna name this as custom tone. And then for the length, I'm just gonna make sure the email is or message is going to be very brief. Formality, I'm catering to startups, so I'm just gonna be using startup formality. Firmness, okay, can adjust that. Creativity, okay, so we're gonna make this tone a little bit creative. And then emoji, no emoji. So I'm gonna save this tone. All right, and then I'm gonna save this company name. All right. So what's gonna happen next is that you will be able to generate a cold email copy based on the input or based on the information that you have provided to Twain. So what we're gonna do is we will ask AI to write an email for us. So in this section, we can select which channel do we want to write the message. So I'm gonna be using email as an example, and then let's just say email introduction. And then intent is to pitch, all right? And then, okay, so I'm not gonna make any adjustments here. I'm just going to generate a copy. All right. So basically, this is the result, and this is actually perfect if you just want to create like a base copy or base cold email message, and then you can just simply make it by adding more custom variables or make more data points just to make this email more personalized. So this is actually one of the features of this tool, and what I really like about this tool upon testing this is that it can also write LinkedIn message for you. So what I would recommend you to do is to download the Twain Chrome extension. So it's available in the Google Chrome Web Store. So it's just easy to install. And once you've installed it, you can use it for writing personalized messages to prospects. So I'm going to show you an example here. So this is a conversation thread with a first degree connection. So basically, I posted something on my LinkedIn page, and I sent this guy a copy of my prompts just to add value to him, and he acknowledged it. So if I would like to follow up with this lead or convert this person into an engaged lead, what I would do is I will use Twain to compose a message. So let's do that. Once you have the Twain extension installed on your Chrome browser, you are going to see this option. the compose option. So just click on it. And in this section, you can create a personalized message or a personalized follow-up to your prospect. So let's try to compose a message for this lead. So I'm going to do that. So you may have noticed that there's already a message here because I already played around with this tool. So I'm going to generate a new one. So for example, I'm going to create a follow-up message. So for the context, I'm going to select no reply as an example. And the intent is to book a call. All right. So I'm just going to ask this lead to book a call with me. And for the tone, I'm going to use the custom tone that I selected earlier. All right. So we'll give it a try. And then, okay. So as you see here, you can also select persona. So for example, if you're talking to a founder, then you can select founder as the persona. Or if you're talking to a CMO, then you can select CMO as the persona. So in this case, the lead is a CTO. So I don't have the CTO as the persona, but most likely the CTO is also the founder. So I'm going to select founder as an example here. Okay. And then this is the problem, solution, ICP, as well as other information that we're going to be using for our custom message. Just going to click on done. And then I'm going to generate the message now. Let's see how it goes. All right. So, hey, Alexi, bringing up our lead generation system might not hold relevance for you. Startups we work with also face challenges like inconsistent lead flow. All right. So for me, I'm not, contented with this message. So I'm looking for a little bit more personalized and more relevant to my previous message or with the current conversation that I have with the prospect. So I'm going to ask to rewrite. All right. Okay. So, hey, Alexi, let's put a pin in the clay copy for now. Others have mentioned struggling to. Okay. This one looks good. Insert this. All right. Okay. And I can just simply, send this message to the prospect. So let's put a pin in the clay copy for now. Others have mentioned struggling to maintaining a steady flow of qualified leads. Would a quick chat help? All right. So I can send this to the prospect. And that's it. So we already have our soft pitch. I asked the lead if he would like to have a quick chat, and we'll see how it goes. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you find this valuable. If you have any questions, just feel free to comment down below and I'll make sure to answer them. Cheers.